alright, it's Mikey here, and I just come to teach you bastards that Mikey's gonna make the CNC box after all with these hands, and you've all been taking the piss out of me lately, and I learned that from my Aussie mate, Plastic. I don't know quite what that means, but I've seen it in some movies sometimes, German ones, yeah. And anyway, I've just got back all the gear from the CNC lathe, and it's all pre-cut, and it's ready to go. So if you don't mind, I'm gonna put this box together for you. That bastard Sad's been on my ass, hammering me, so I've got the hammer here, and first of all, I want to show you the quality CNC here. These are the dovetail joins that I've been telling you about. See, beautifully finished, man, beautifully finished. And you see, look, sometimes you just gotta get a little bit more out of them. But as you can see, man, there's the dovetail joins. This is vintage timber, man. I got this out of it's the only thing that didn't burn in the fire, man. It's from the 60s, like me, man. So look, I'm going to start this now, and it's going to take a few minutes, but just let me put it together for you. Because that fucking bastard Duck BBW, big black, he should be C instead of W, I don't know. But fuck you, Timmy, so here we go. So first of all, we've got this timber here, and it's been through the CNC lathe. And as you can tell, there's just there's a few little, just got to make that nice and get rid of those. They are not actually nails, they're just part of the CNC finish. It's a rusted look. So, just hammer a few of these bastards down, and that fucking dog barking, I thought I fucking finished that off before. So, this is going to be the front and the back of the box, and this here is the side of the box. So it's come back from the CNC lathe, so we just see, it's finished, man. See, so that's going to be the sides. So just stick around, guys, because just got to go and get some tools. And like any modern machining process, we're going to use the air nailer, man. Fuck, these things are dangerous. Fucking had an accident with this last time. I don't know what to do. Anyway, I hope that bastard Trump doesn't come on and get on my ass again. I've got to hook this up here together, man, and no fucking hell's it work. Oh, fuck me, dead, Jesus Christ. Anyway, here it goes. So I'm going to put this together. Oh, shit. Mikey hasn't done any work for a while, so just be patient here. Yeah, look, just see the precisions that you can do that 1,000 times on a CNC. So first of all, we're going to get this square, man. Hope you can see there, you bastards. Yeah. See, beautifully finished, beautifully finished. Here's the dovetail join. I'm going to get that lined up here, and can you see that, guys? It's wonderful. You know, I've been dreaming about this while I've been out riding my Ducati, and I'm fucking sick of everyone, man. So I'm putting it all together. It's fucking square as a fucking dime, man. It's hip to be square. So I'm gonna put this together now, and dovetails. They don't quite match up. There's that bastard on the fucking CNC lathe, man. The dovetails don't quite match up there, but look, it'll be okay. You won't know the difference by the time it's finished, man. So I'm just going to put it together there, and oh, Jesus Christ, man. Anyway, that fucking Clinton was on the other day, and look, that's looking pretty good. It's looking I'm gonna have to pull out the bits, man, and it doesn't quite fucking work. What am I gonna do now is you're gonna see that I'm gonna get that. I just pulled it down to the camera there and just make sure you can fit together. Oh, those dovetails. There they go. They're going in there now, and that's a lot better. Yeah, that's a lot better, man. That's a lot better fit. And Jesus, it's looking good there. So here we go, boys. Coming up nicely now, and the plan is that, and I'm going to send these over to Sard, flat packed, not finished. So this is going to be the instructional video on how to put these bastards together. Archie, try to PayPal you, man, but I need the money for this vintage timber. You see, there is the shape of the Watchbox to start off with now. I hope you guys can see this. So, now we're going to make the base for it, man, and beautiful here. More dovetailing, and yeah, I'm going to put that on there. Beautiful dovetailing. Yeah, this Watchbox is going together nice, brother. Yeah. And yeah, doesn't quite fit, but it's looking good, man. And sometimes the dovetailing just doesn't quite go in, but you know, it's just skew nail it, man. Yeah, look, that's looking good, boys. You see, the CNC, the finish is beautiful, man. It's beautiful, and I'll get her done, boys. Get her done. And, oh, Jesus. Yeah, that's holding together nicely there. So I've got these legs for it, man, and CNC lathe, man, to come up with everything. And see, it's beautiful, beautiful how they match, man. Look, it's identical. This one's got the dovetail on it. And, oh, Mikey's going down now, man. Yeah, and oh shit, that's it's not too bad. It's looking pretty good there. So there you can see there's the box, and there's a little lip on the front there. It's a very attractive design. So we're going to get the lid now, and yep, there's the lid. So what we want to do is yeah, just some more CNC machining there, man, and just, oh shit, that's it. Fucking, I haven't got a saw, man. If anyone could PayPal me for a saw, I've sent so much fucking money to Archie. I've got a fucking saw, and fucking saw toe, man. Yeah, anyone seen my toe? It's like an ice cream scoop. So this is going to be the lid, and what we're going to do is a bit of a trick here, old Mikey. And let's see, we turn it over, and it's a beautiful finish. Beautiful finish there, and it's just lovely. So what we need now, we're basically the box is looking pretty good. So what we're going to do now is make a hinge. And I've got this beautiful vintage rag off my Pantera. I used to wipe the dipstick on the Pantera for that. So, so yeah, we're going to make a hinge, man. So we're going to tear that and fold it and fold it again. And there we go. Hang on now. Yeah. We're going to put it together now, and it's going to make a beautiful hinge, man. And hinge does not quite to be as strong as the box, so look, that's beautiful, man. And I'm gonna make another hinge there. And, fuck, I don't know my own strength. And Jesus. Oh, here we go. Yeah, that's looking good. I reckon even that bastard Sad could put these together, man. Works at the 7-Eleven. You should be able to put this together. Can you see that? Oh no, I'm gonna have to make one for the inside as well too. Yeah. This is a vintage material, man. I'd ever tell you about the time I loved that chicken, that Pantera, and she loved it, man. Oh yeah, that's beautiful, man. This box is just going together in seconds. It's a CNC, you see. You can make so much of them so many times. And yeah, anyway, it's getting close to finishing, boys. I'll put another one in there. And there we got the hinge there now, man. So you can see that's beautiful. So look, there we're just about, oh shit. Still the back is falling to bits. Yeah, that's good. Just need a little bit of a tap down here. It'll ride up with wear, man. Jesus, that's looking nice now. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's all good, man. Now, what we need to do here is need to put an insert in it, so put the watchers in. So we'll make this now, and here we go, boys. See, everything's pre-cut on the CNC. That's beautiful, man. And it looks like I lost that other bit of timber, man. Yeah, but that'll do. That's close enough. Yeah, that's looking good. And yeah, hot diggity. That's good. It's good. All right, so this is going to be the Watchbox. So they're going to sit in there. I'll hold that up to the camera, and we're going to come over here and drill some holes in it, man. So steady as she goes. You know, this is my daddy's drill. He left it to me. You can't use it now. Oh Jesus! Oh, fucking wrists on to vintage timber, man. Vintage timber. Yeah. That's beautiful, man. So what happens there is, you can see we're going to drill another 6 holes in there. Just got to get that out. And, see, that's, you got to push it out, man. And, taking care of business, man. Yeah, that's it. That's how old Mikey rolls. Fuck, that hurt. Only 9 fingers left, man. It smells good, man. It's a CNC, Mikey's watch boxes, man. And, yep. You still watching, man? This is fucking. Brilliant, man. Yep. No tricks here. It's all made in front of your eyes. Yeah. All made in front of your eyes. Oh, Mikey knows what he's doing. That's it, man. So, yeah, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that, guys. So first of all, there's your box, and here's the insert, man. So we put it in there, and take a wristwatch, see, like that, and just sits in there, see, beautifully. Now you might say, hey, is that gonna fall out, man, in transit? I don't think so. So, first of all, Mikey's gonna nail this down and if I can find it. Yeah. Go, Mikey. Yeah. There you go. Bastard salve. Yeah, that's it. Yep. It's looking good, boys. Looking good. Here's Mikey's Watchbox. Gorgeous, right? Gorgeous, man. Now this is how we keep the watches. We break that, and what we do, man, is you're watching, guys. You're watching. See, we staple it in there, man, and put the next one down there. Yep. And then you get your watch, man. See, you put it under there, and it's safe for transport. See, won't fall out. This is beautiful, man. This is finished. Now, there's a couple of little Mikey treats we got to first of all do. Now we've got to finish the box. So, what we want to do, man, is we got some oil from the Pantera from our racing days, and that caught fire too. So. First of all, we're going to put a little bit of Mikey finish on it, and yeah, is it that fucking dog barking, man? I fucking thought I finished that thing, man. And Jesus, I know, I'm going to do something else before I do that. See here, not only can you put your watches in it, man, but you can also put your cufflinks in it. You see those? Where is it? Yeah. They're the bullets I used to put the last dog down, man. And see, it holds onto your cufflinks as well too. Beautiful. Look at that. Yeah. Have you ever seen anything as beautiful as that? Anyway, we're going to finish the box now, and first of all, you got to lube him up. Yep, lube him up, and we want to put a nice burnished finish on it. So, yeah, we're just going to put a finish on that, man. You see that? Gorgeous, steady on, Mikey. That's enough. We're going to put the finish on it, man. See this beautiful maple drumstick. I don't know whether you can read that. It says maple, and yeah, that was when I fucked that bitch on the stage. The fucking drummer liked us so much, he gave me his drumsticks, man. So we're just going to get one of those, and oh, Mikey's will fix this, and yeah. that's gorgeous. So we'll put a lid on it now, and look at that, see? You ever seen anything as beautiful as that? There's a couple of other things we need to do before we finish, man. Everyone that shipped, Mikey's got a little bit of something there for you to put in for the trip, man, and flying well, high flying, man, so that's we'll just put that in for the trip, and yeah, got another little baggie there for you, and that'll keep you going, a couple of grams there, and something else here got from my old days, and Jesus, I gotta get a little bit of lube, man. And yeah, remember this from my sex shop days. Yeah, there we go. And yeah, beautiful. Anyway, there's Mikey's box. It's all finished, man. Yeah. Fuck you. Yeah, Jesus.